model, 2009 Renault Trafic Vivaro SL27 Sport 2.0 DCI 115 Super Clean needs 1X injector no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 136381. MOT, the 28th of January 2025. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R115 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a misfire. Needs injector number 3 replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Injector cylinder 3 misfire. Engine clutch and gearbox are perfect. This is definitely just 1X injector needs replacing. Grin. Condition summary. Bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable.